Do you ever realize the importance of balance between nutrition and oral health? Myself, Dr. Shivanagini Elvarthi, prosthodontist and implantologist. Today, we are dwelling into a crucial aspect of oral health that often gets overlooked: nutrition. As a senior implantologist at Simpladent Immediate Loading Dental Implants, I have seen firsthand and profound impact the diet can have on our teeth and gums. So let's dive in and explore how what we eat affects our oral health. Hi everyone, I'm excited to guide you through the journey of understanding how nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining the healthy smile. Our mouths are the gateway to our bodies, and what we consume directly influences the health of our teeth and gums. A balanced diet rich essential nutrients is key to supporting optimal oral health. What are these essential nutrients and how do they benefit our oral health? Let's break it down. First one is calcium. Found in dairy products, leafy greens and fortified foods, calcium is crucial for maintaining strong teeth and bones. Second one is vitamin D. This vitamin helps our bodies absorb calcium, promoting strong teeth, reducing the risk of tooth decay. You can get vitamin D from sources like fatty fish, egg yolks and sunlight. Third one is vitamin C. Found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers, vitamin C is essential for healthy gums. It helps to strengthen blood vessels and connective tissues, reducing the risk of gum disease. Fourth one is phosphorus. Foods like meat, poultry, fish, nuts rich in phosphorus, which works alongside calcium to strengthen tooth enamel. While nutrient-rich foods support oral health, there are also certain foods and beverages that can harm our teeth and gums. One of the biggest culprits is sugar. When we consume sugary foods and drinks, harmful bacteria in our mouth feed on the sugars, producing acids that erode tooth enamel and lead to cavity. That's why it's essential to limit our intake of sugary snacks and beverages. Instead of reaching for sugary treats, opt for nutritious snacks that promote oral health. Here are some ideas. First one is crunchy fruits and vegetables. Foods like apples, carrots and celery helps to naturally clean teeth and stimulate saliva production, which neutralizes acids and protect against tooth decay. Second one is dairy products. Cheese, yogurt and milk are not only rich in calcium but also helps to neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities. Third one is nuts and seeds. These crunchy snacks are packed with essential nutrients like phosphorus and vitamin D, promoting strong teeth and gums. Making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your oral health. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods and minimizing sugary treats, you can support a healthy smile for years to come. Remember, your oral health is an integral part of your overall well-being. By prioritizing nutrition and making mindful choices about what you eat, you can enjoy a lifetime of healthy smiles. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on maintaining a healthy smile. Until next time, take care and keep smiling.